So let's take a look at the data science project lifecycle. So when you're building a data science solution, people tend to think of and only concentrate on this part, and this part's hard. This takes time. Even getting your problem definition right is requires some iteration. You'll define your problem. You think that you're in data exploration. You realize, oh, you don't have enough the right data to solve your problem. You have to come back here. When you're in this loop, right here, you find maybe your model isn't working as well as you need it to, so it might cause you to go all the way back here. People tend to forget actually that there's whole additional step, and that is deployment. So deployment, it turns out, can be rather difficult. If you think about it, you probably are still continuing this work, right? So you're probably at least iterating here, which means that you'll want to put different models into production. This means you want to have a way to score these things and actually have these things run to give value and to be able to deliver these types of predictions or however you're using it. And it turns out deployment's really tough to do, and it's tough to keep track of exactly which version model you're on. All of those things are very difficult, and what happened up until just a few years ago is companies always tended to just build their own solutions. So what they really wanted to be doing was actually putting things in deployment, and instead they were just building an entire framework to support all this work. Well, now there are frameworks which make this much simpler. So there are frameworks which support the creation of models. There are frameworks which make it much simpler to deploy models and actually make them available for people to use. It's greatly speeded up the work and the return on investment, improve the return on investment for data science teams. Because data science teams would build great solutions, and then leaders would be looking for these to be in production, and it would be a year before they actually saw the results. Very, very painful.